surprised us all by teasing the successor to the original, Honor Magic. The device didn't get a proper announcement. George Zhao just teased some of the key features. The most noticeable one is the so-called full-view display, no notches, no big ugly chins, just display. And as you may have figured out by yourselves, the device will have slide-out cameras as there's no room for one on the front. And yes, it looks a lot like Oppo's Find X. However, we don't know if the back cameras, assuming they are at least two, will be attached to the slider, or will be placed on the back like most smartphones. But by looking at the size of the slider, it's probably safe to assume
2 years, or 730 days, 17,520 hours. From nothingness to the bright spark, to the ignition of energy, to the collision of ideas. The expedition of our exploration knows no boundaries nor borders, no concept of time,